So I got this handheld Black & Decker as a wedding gift, actually. So it comes with this little portable stand. You can see that when you plug it in, it lights up there to let you know that it is charging. It does have a pretty long cord, actually, but I just like to keep mine bundled like that, just so it is easier to move around. So what's cool about this is if you want to like turn it, you can turn it and it'll lock in place there. You have that little handle there. This pulls off. You can see there's dog hair in there. But yeah, it works really well. So I'll just give you a quick sample. Just got some dirt from my flower pot. And I'll just do this. Then also you can take it off, release this in order to just like go and dump out the filter there. So super easy, super convenient. I love using it. So it does make my life easier. I highly recommend.